welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that when I do post, you guys will be able to see it. So today we're going to be doing an Amazon haul. I ordered a couple stuff, just a couple stuff from Amazon that I wanted to share with you guys. There will be a link to all these products in the description box below, so please feel free to check it out. Also, the link to my Amazon storefront will be down there. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So this is my second time filming this video, so the stuff, most of them are pretty much open. I'm just gonna go ahead and show it to you guys. The first one that I got is this Andis, I think it's Andis bonnet dryer. It looks like this. So the bonnet is right here, and then it comes with the dryer. Now I already have a hair dryer, however the one that I have, it does not come with the dryer. It's just a little bonnet thing that goes over your hair, and then you have to go ahead and plug your actual hair dryer in there to make it work. It was just a lot of work and very tedious, and I couldn't. So I've only used that one once. When I saw this one, I was like, I want this, because not only does it come with a bonnet, it also comes with a dryer, so you don't have to worry about finding your hair dryer, fitting it in, and doing all that extra stuff. We're going to move on to the next item. So the next item that I have is this mount thing. I don't know what it's called. What is it called? So it's a solid arm multi-mount accessory. So I just got a new mic. I have a mic stand, but I don't like how bulky it is. I feel like it's just, I don't like clutter, and it looks very chaotic back there where my camera is. There's a mic stand, and there's the light. So I got this mount that you can connect to like the arm of the tripod and then have it stick out, and then I was going to connect the mic on here. I could put the mic on top of my camera, however I just feel like it's too far and I wanted it close to me, so I went ahead and I ordered this. So the next one I got is these mats for the boys. They have some already, but I feel like the ones they have, they're pretty small, and I hate that it's like this tiny. I don't like it. So I went ahead and I ordered these for them on Amazon. It's pretty cool. And you have Superman, Spider-Man, Iron Man. So me, dear boys, you're going to like this. What I do like though is that the strings you can adjust, which is really cool. So it comes in a set of 4. So the next thing that I got is this spring twist hair. So this is what the spring twist hair looks like. I don't want to take the whole thing out because putting it back in is going to be a struggle, but this is really pretty. You know, to braid with it, you just need to fluff it out a little bit and then just go ahead and twist it. As you guys can see, my hair is a hot mess. I need to get it done. I'm not sure what I want to do to it. That's why I ended up getting so many different types of hair. I actually have a box coming in from Sam's Beauty. I guess I will show you guys what that looks like when that comes in. So there's 8 packs in here, and I believe that there is 12 strands each, if I'm not mistaken. So the next item is these butterfly crochet locks. This is what the hair looks like. I think it's really pretty. I love the distressed look of it. I also like that the part where the hook will go is not tiny. Like it's a perfect size. Sometimes they make it so tiny that it's really hard to put the latch hook in there. However, the size is perfect. So it's 12 inches. There's 6 packs in the whole set, and there is 12 strands in the pack. They say you need 6 packs to complete a full head. However, I have a big head and I don't want any problems. I don't want to be doing my hair and then run out and then don't know what to do. So I went ahead and I ordered an extra pack right here, making it 7 packs in total. So if you have a big head like me, you might want to get an extra pack just to be on the safe side. So the next one is also hair. This is the springy afro twist hair for butterfly locks. So there's 8 packs of hair in here. It is 12 strands per pack, and they say that you need 8 packs of hair to complete a full head. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. It basically looks like spring twist hair that has already been fluffed out for you, which is cool because fluffing out the hair can take up time, and Nobody has time for that. Also, they do include a crochet hook for you, which is cool. A lot of these hair, when you order them, they come with crochet hooks. The only thing that I don't like though is, like, being that I ordered all these different packs of hair, none of them actually come with a, how do I even explain it? Like, it's not packaged right. You know how you buy expression hair or something and it's a whole package, you know what the hair is? Most of these hairs just come in a clear bag, so if you order a lot of hair like I did, you're gonna be like, wait, which one is which? The next thing that I ordered is this ponytail. It's supposed to be 1B the color, but this looks like literally jet black. Like, this looks jet black, and it's supposed to be 1B. It does feel a little stiff, but when I'm ready to use it, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up to make it very fluffy, so that should take away the stiffness. The next thing that I got is this mirror. This was a scam, guys, because look at how tiny this thing is, and it was about $15. I did not expect it to be this small. I just needed a mirror for when I am filming my makeup look. I thought it was going to be a little bigger than this. However, this is pretty tiny. I mean, I can still work with it, but I didn't expect it to be this small. And for the price of $15, I believe I was definitely not expecting this tiny little thing. Okay, so this is the last pack of hair that I got, at least from Amazon. So this is meant for Passion Twist. It's 24 inches long. There's 18 strands in the pack. And it says that you need 6 to 7 packs to do a full head. Now, there is 7 packs in here, so hopefully that's enough for my hair. Probably gonna go ahead and cut it into 2 because it's 24 inches, and I don't know if I want it that long. So I'm gonna come close so you guys can see what the hair looks like. So this is what the hair looks like. It feels a little stiff, but once you open it up, it does feel like it's going to be really fluffy and beautiful. It's so hard for me to talk right now because my throat like just feels scratchy. I don't know if it's a cold, I don't know what it is. Moving on to the last package. This is heavy. I thought I just saw another pack of hair. I was about to say, what the heck, man? The next one is this mic stand. If the one that I showed you guys doesn't work out, I will be using this, but instead of it sitting on the floor, I will clamp it to my desk and then just have the mic facing me. So this is also another option. Got some baby oil because I like to mix baby oil in our lotion, and the one that I have ran out, so we got a new one. The last and final item is this cosmetic mirror that I got. So you guys should already know that I most of the time braid my hair by myself. All the time, actually. Once in a while I will have somebody do it, but most of the times I do it by myself. It's very difficult to see the back of my head. I know you guys see the video and it looks like, oh my god, that was fast, and I struggle because sometimes I have to stand in the mirror and then take another mirror and then look back and all that. So when I saw this, I was like, oh. So basically it's just a mirror that, so it's a mirror that hangs over a door, and you get 3 views. So you're able to see the back, the sides, the front, and everything. I thought this was going to be really cool, and it was going to save me a lot of time when I am doing my hair and I have to part my hair. I usually part my hair in sections before I braid them, so I thought this was really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. This is going to save my life, honestly. So that's all the stuff that I ordered from Amazon. This was a lot. It's a lot of talking. Now this whole place has stuff all over the place after I just cleaned up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything where they need to go and then just be done. I'm literally about to post this video right now, so I'm about to edit it and post it. Today is Monday. Yeah, today's the 3rd. I'm literally filming this video right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and post it as soon as I am done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Let me know what you think.
I'm not sure I understand.
Shut up. Siri is so annoying. Oh, sorry, Siri. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that when I do post, you guys will be able to see it. Thank you. Bye.